Welcome back to the channel. I'll do the intro in just a second because my phone and my ear just picked up a lifer right here and I'm going to try to get it. Let's go. I think that's a northern parula. That's the parula again. I think that's it, maybe. Yeah, no way. Yes, that's a lifer. Let's go. I'll try to get a better shot.
That's the original image before I crop in. And that's when I crop in really far.
It's a goldfinch. They're all crossing the road now. It's a black and white warbler. Man, what a crazy spot this morning. Something right there underneath the branch. Another black and white. Just trying to see if I can get another view of the one that I saw. Oh, parula. Okay. That's not the one I was looking at though. Alright. That looks super nice in there. That's where I'm gonna go in a second. I didn't even lock my car. I gotta go back and do that. Hope I didn't. I don't have my keys. Okay, well, welcome back to the channel. That was awesome. As soon as I got out of my car, I heard something I didn't recognize, so I turned on Merlin. There's just a crow being really loud, but just ignore him. Merlin picked up a Tennessee warbler. Now I knew it was here from eBird and Facebook, so that's why I came. But once again this year, I've been really lucky this year. I literally stepped out of the car and heard what I wanted to see. This is the shot of the Tennessee warbler. I know it's from far away, but I was super happy to get that. That's a lifer and a warbler. There's another type of warbler that I'm not gonna say yet, just in case I don't get it. Because I want to surprise you if I do, but there's another type of warbler that breeds here at the Ells Cemetery in Kings County, Nova Scotia, and it comes every year. I have seen it before, never in Nova Scotia, so I still really want to get it, but the Tennessee was an absolute lifer that I really wanted to get, so I'm already super stoked. What a beautiful morning. Oh my god, the drive up here was gorgeous. I've come here twice before, and both times it was sunny 20 minutes away where I live, and then all of a sudden it's foggy and cloudy here. So this morning it's so beautiful. Can't wait to get going and see what else we can find. Let's go. That's a white-throated sparrow. So that creepy, eerie call. Man, I hear so much. There's so many different birds around. I hear something for the first time this year. That whoosh. I hear one on both sides. It's a flycatcher. An alder flycatcher, I think. Oh, hello. A bunny. I don't see those here as much as I did in Ontario. What was that? That sounded different. Oh, yeah, it picked up what I want. I think I just heard it. Yeah, to my left somewhere. I bet he's in that tall tree. That's a white-throated sparrow. That's not it. Got it, I think. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there he is. Wow. Okay. That is a morning warbler. They're known to come here every year. Nice. That's a shot of that alder flycatcher. And there. First of the year. Let's go. Trying to get his head turned. There. Oh, that wasn't in focus, was it? Story of this lens, or this camera. Flycatcher. I think I just saw movement. There he is. Got him. Those are better than the first one. Nice. Let's go. Okay. Well. Wow, what an incredible bird. What is that? Oh, Mr. Ovenbird. Wow. That was epic. I'm so glad I got the Tennessee. It was nice to see the morning warbler too. I'd only ever seen a morning warbler once in Ontario, near where I'm going next week actually. But it was like my first summer season birding there, and I didn't know anything, and some old lady could hear him and pointed him out, and nobody could find him in the tree. And then I took a picture and they're like, did you get him? And I'm like, I don't know. And they were all like, oh, you got him. It was this photo here. I mean, I had to crop like crazy, but since then I haven't seen them. But this is a known location where hopefully they breed, so super stoked to come out early this morning and get this bird before work. Let's go. Well, it's only 25 after 7. I think I've got a couple minutes to walk into the actual cemetery place and see if I can find anything else. I'm not overly optimistic I'll find anything better than a Tennessee lifer, but there's definitely some more warblers in here. I could hear lots of black and whites, some magnolias, probably some chestnuts on this side as well, so we'll see if we can get a shot of those. But if not, I'm gonna head home here soon. I hear a blue-headed vireo. Look, a plane. Let's see if we can see the airline. Maybe if you crop in. WestJet. I'll be flying them next week. There's always so many birds here, but it's hard to get shots because everything is pretty packed in here. Oh, I see one. No, I just missed him. It's a magnolia. I got a really good shot of a magnolia last year at Cape Split. If you've watched my channel since then, you might remember that bird. It was taken at like 12,000 ISO too. Oh, I'm salty, I forgot my hat. Haven't done that in a long time, but pretty stoked that we got 2 warblers that I haven't gotten yet this year. The Tennessee, of course, which was an actual lifer, and the morning warbler, which I haven't seen in Nova Scotia yet. So super stoked, definitely worth coming out. I'm just on my way out of here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up down below. I greatly appreciate it. You can check out the video description as well. I've got a list of my gear with some affiliate links if you are looking to pick up a monopod or a set of binoculars. I actually just got some binoculars the other day because I'm sick of not having them. All the other birders use them and they really do make a difference. I wasn't a believer before, but with the mirrorless cameras struggling to focus, it's way easier to use binoculars to spot the bird and then take a photo if it's something you want to photograph. So until the next video, stay safe, get outside. This is the best time of year if you're not out already. So happy birding, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.